In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up term weighting for a semester class. This will specifically be for a semester 1 class. So first, make sure you're clicked into any one of your semester 1 classes, and note that if you have year-long classes, you'll be following a separate process. So check in the slideshow for the video that applies to year-long classes. So the first thing you'll do is hover over Report Card in the blue banner and click on Term Weighting. So what we're doing for setting up term weighting, we're telling the SIS Gradebook how to calculate the final mark for the class. And so since this is a semester class, we will be checking off semester 1 or 2 quarter final mark. And how to calculate it, since this is a rolling gradebook, we're just checking off second quarter and putting in 100%. So we have no final exam in this class, so that's why we have 100% here. And because this is a rolling gradebook, all of our quarter 1 and 2 assignments should be in the second quarter gradebook. Next step is to check off whichever other classes this applies to below, and then in the top right-hand corner, we'll click the green Update. To check that this is set up correctly, we're telling the SIS Gradebook to calculate the semester 1 or 2 quarter final mark from the second quarter gradebook, which is 100% of the grade.